Over the years, as I've worked with all the customers that we have, very few customers have ever walked away from our product. I think that we've basically been able to integrate our sensor into any system that people bring to us, unless for some small reason it's not a good fit. But we're very good at making sure that the customer's supported in integrating the product into their system. And like I said, we're almost always successful. Another great thing about Inertial Sense is we really try to go above and beyond to support the customers. And sometimes that even includes adding new features to our hardware, adding new features to the firmware on the sensor. Whenever we can, people get on the phone with us and say, this thing doesn't seem quite right. And sometimes we do work with them to add special features, or if something's not working quite right, we're really good about getting on the phone with people and getting the product to work exactly as it should and how they need it to work. It's very much a close collaboration with the customer. So as a systems engineer, I've worked, in my background, I've worked on a lot of projects, not just here with other companies. And one of the things that I've always struggled with is getting support from the support engineers. I've sent emails and waited days, sometimes I'll be on the phone forever just trying to connect with somebody. And we take a lot of pride in getting back to the customer. We try to day of if we can. Whenever we can, all during the week, throughout the work hours of the day, we're really trying to keep the customer first and give you the attention you need to be able to integrate the sensor. Most importantly, I'm not your typical support engineer, but a systems engineer actively developing our products. When I get on the phone or begin to exchange emails with you, I'm speaking from experience. When it comes to sensor integration, I've seen it all. I've worked with the development of projects ranging from aerospace to marine application to aircraft, unmanned vehicles, robotics, military applications, and more. We've worked with audio-visual equipment, augmented reality, and the list goes on and on. I guarantee that working with Inertial Sense will not be a disappointment. If it can be done, we'll make it happen. If you'd like to learn more, send an email to sales@inertialsense.com. Let's get to work.